every day is chest day. Creating content that is engaging is absolutely critical. Subject matter experts are always trying to figure out, how can I create the content in my mind in something that is really engaging? And one of the best ways to do that is by using a digital board. Today we are covering the 3 ways of using a digital board for teaching online.
We have a free masterclass for you linked right below this video to help you with any e-learning program or online course you ever make. How do we do that? Well, we do that by helping you be extremely clear on your learners and taking them on a journey from A to Z to get the results that they need.
So option number 1 is a physical whiteboard.
So this is the simple option, but also we think the least effective option. But if this is your only option, then maybe you do it. So what you do is you have a whiteboard. Right here we have a blackboard, and I don't actually have some chalk, but basically you're gonna turn and you're gonna write on it and record it. Now the problems with this is your face isn't facing the audience, your learner, okay? The pros of this is if you already have a whiteboard, all you need to do is set up your phone or your camera facing at the whiteboard and you can do it. We actually have built out multiple programs like this. It works out really well as long as you learn how to do this.
We've also seen some really cool technology out there, which is a physical whiteboard, but it's actually a piece of technology as well, which is awesome. But again, like Johnny said, the biggest con is your back is facing the learner. It's a little bit disengaging, so think about that.
Option number 2 is an actual digital whiteboard. So what is a digital whiteboard? A digital whiteboard is a piece of software that you can literally draw on your computer as if you're drawing on a whiteboard. There's a lot of ways to do this. We recommend checking out loom.com as our choice software to do this. And Loom's cool because you can choose what color you want your background to be. You actually don't even need a background. You can have a website open, you have anything open and you can draw on it. So definitely check out Loom if that is what you want to do.
And our favorite option is option number 3. It is the Lightboard. We are using the Lightboard as we speak. Also, we got a link below, appreciate the support, which is our affiliate link to Revolution Lightboard. If you want to purchase one, we would appreciate the support. But it is the Lightboard.
This is the way.
This is the way. It's super fun. It's super engaging. You can use multiple colors. It's also just a unique aspect. The subject matter expert is always looking at you. It is focused on the subject matter expert's face, the content that is being written on here, and it eliminates all other distractions.
It is basically
awesome.
option 1 if you could write on a whiteboard and still continue to look at your audience.
So, we got that free masterclass for you, which is linked below in the description. Go check it out. Thank you so much for the likes and the subscribes, and we'll see you in the free masterclass.